Hello students, welcome to my online lecture session of subject DWPD. Today we will continue our unit number 1, Introduction to HTML and CSS, and topic name is HTML list tag. Objective: after learning this video, students will be able to know about various list tags like OL, UL and DL. Now start our session with list in HTML. Then first of all, what is list? The list is useful to represent information in structured way so that user can easily read the information. In HTML, there are three types of list. First one is order list, which is written as OL. Second is unordered list, means UL, and third one is definition list, DL. Next, order list. Order list is represented using OL tag. Order list start with the OL tag and end with the /OL. Each and every list items start with the LI tag. It represents information in numerical or alphabetical order. The attributes of order list are type and start. Type represent to represent information in numerical or alphabetical order. Suppose I want to display information in numerical form, then the value of type is 1, I, small I or capital I. If I want to represent information in alphabetical order, then I have to use small a or capital A. And second attribute start represent the starting point of list. The list items will be marked with numbers by default. Now example, this code is written in between body and /body tag. First tag is OL. Then second is list. CMTS means subject name is written between LI and /LI tag. Then second subject name. Then third subject name. After this tag, a list tag /OL is used to closing of the order list. Now output of this tag is like this. Here I am not use any type or start attribute. So by default the numbering is like 1, 2, 3. Now start our practical of this order list tag. Here first of all open Notepad or Notepad++, then start tag HTML and last tag is /HTML. In between head tag is used for heading purpose and /head. In between head and /head, I use title tag to represent title of the web page. Between title and /title, I write use of list tag, which is display at top of web page. After that, body tag is used, and at last /body tag is used. In between body and /body, I created one list, order list. Here I write subject name. In between paragraph tag. After that, one break line used. Then create order list. Last tag is /OL. In between OL and /OL, I write LI for creating a list. LI, then /LI. List item is written between LI and /LI tag. Suppose here I create a subject name for fifth semester So first subject name is CMTS. Second, LI. Then DWPD. Then third list, Java. And then write CNS. Completed. If I want to use type attribute in order list, then I have to write after giving one space type equal to, for example, I write capital A. So the list is created using alphabetical order. Now first of all, save this HTML file. Save. Choose your folder. Here I'll write list.html. Now run this file. List.html opened with Google Chrome. So here my list is created using alphabetical order A, B, C, D. Next, unordered list. Unordered list start with the UL tag, same like order list. Here each list item start with the li tag. Attributes of unordered list is type. The value of type attribute is disk, circle and square. Means unordered list create using the bullets. By default, bullet for list is small black circle. Example, first UL and /UL. Between this, I write subject name, CMTS, DWPD and Java. The output of this code is like this. Here, I do not use any type. So, the default is like circle. Now, next is definition list, DL. Definition list is used for representing in two-level format. First level format contains topic and second level contains description of topic. The DL tag is used to represent definition list. So whenever I want to display a definition in HTML form, then in HTML web page, then I have to use DL tag. DT tag is used to represent definition. Theme means main topic of definition. And DD tag, it is used to represent definition in describe form. DT and DD tag are contained between DL and /DL. Now, example, this code is written between body and /body. First tag is DL. Inside the DL tag, first I use DT. Topic of definition means DWPD. Now I have to write the full form of DWPD. So it is written in between DD and /DD tag. Similar for second definition, CNS. CNS is written between DT and /DT, and the full form of CNS is written between DD and /DD. Description. Now completion of /DL. Now output of this code is like this. DWPD, this is the written in DT and /DT. Then DD, Dynamic Web Page Development. It is a second level. It is written in next line of DWPD like this. And third is CNS, topic name, then CNS and the description of topic. Thank you.